Hello, I hope you're well. My name's Jack, and this week we're going to Belgium and Rotterdam. Captain Society's not very well, so I'm taking over the piloting duties. Right, off to Amsterdam, hope we'll make it. Just kidding, it's just part of the shop in the airport. Can't go that way. So we're just in Schiphol Airport waiting for a train because we're going to Belgium, Brussels to be exact. So we're just having a little slice of pizza and then off to the train station, which is just over there. Any good? Good. We've made it to Belgium, checked into a hotel. It was all self-check-in, which is pretty cool, modern world and all that, but we're in a hotel room. Let's have a quick look outside the window, because there's not much of a view, but there is a view. I'll show you what I mean. So the outside of the window is like the middle bit of the hotel, and down there, if you can see, is actually the lobby. And these are the lifts. That was timed really well, there you go. So now we're just going to go out and explore a little bit. Nothing's really planned. To tell you the truth, with the whole trip, nothing is really planned other than we're having 2 days here, and then on Wednesday we're going to Rotterdam, and we're going to be meeting Scott and Lyndon, Bex, Harold, who we've had on our Lime Tree Sessions podcast, and a guy called Mehdi, who hasn't been on the podcast, but we've had him on a session before. Amazing saxophone player. It's just going to be a really great time, and it feels really cool to be vlogging again. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on what happens. So we're at this chocolate shop where there's these sticks with chocolate on, and you put them into hot milk and it makes hot chocolate, so we're going to give that a go. So these are the sticks with the chocolate on. I'm thinking this one, and Soph's thinking the Smarties one. So you can kind of see it's starting to melt it, but I think it takes longer than it. I just thought it was instant. Ready for the taste test?
I'm going to pretend I haven't had a sip already.
Is it good?
I think you'll like it.
Yeah, I've already tasted mine. Okay, so we're now in the Hard Rock Cafe. It isn't a holiday with Jack and Sophie without coming to the Hard Rock Cafe. We're just waiting for food. We've just had a Delta IPA, which was absolutely lovely. We'll let you know when the food comes. There it is. Hi, it is Belgium day 2, and we are now in Prague, or as we would call it, Bruges. Everyone here calls it Prague. What are we doing today?
We're going to make some chocolate.
We're going to make some chocolate. And just like that, we're back at the hotel. Bruges was class. The chocolate making class was really, really cool. Harry, the guy who's running it, he was awesome. Go check out their Instagram page. I'll leave it down below and I'll put it on screen. Really, really fun. Let's taste with chocolates like we haven't already tasted them, but we'll do a taste test on camera. All right, here we go.
Very good.
We all made it! Yay! We are off to The Hague and hopefully we got on the right train. Oh, that's not good.
Have a live week in Rotterdam.
A live week. So this is an outdoor toilet.